Alright guys, we're gonna replace this 2024 Nissan Kick air filter. You got about like 45,000 miles, so it's time to replace it, guys. So all you gotta do, pop the little tab right there. There's the filter right here, guys. Yep, it's always good to replace it. Look at this. That's pretty dirty. There's a new one right here, guys. Alright. There's it right there. Make sure it's nice and even. So don't forget this tab. Tab goes down. Goes like this. Alright. Alright, just like that. Push it in. Alright. There's a filter right here, guys. Look. See, make sure this one goes like that and it goes like this, and this tab goes down. Yep, that's how you do it, guys. Alright guys, we're getting ready to replace this cabinet air filter on a 2024 Nissan Kick. So this is the cabinet air filter right here, guys. So we're gonna replace it. The first thing we have to do, we have to remove this panel right here. We have to defrog it. We gotta do, pull them out like that, put them on the side, and the cabinet air filter is right, I believe it's right there on this one right here. So we're gonna need lights. Alright, this is right there, guys. This is the camera filter right there. So just the one right here. We're gonna pop this out right here. You gotta be gentle. So we pull it out. Right over here. There's one tab on the top, and you gotta press this down. One tab in the front. There it is. One on top. There it is. Get it off, guys. And just slowly pull this cabin because you got a lot of dirt in there. See that? All the dirt coming out. Ooh, see that? All the dirt. Look at that. It's dirty, guys. Totally a good time, man. This car is about 40,000 miles. So this is a good time to replace it. Then this one goes to the top first. Snap it in, boom. Alright. Then we're going to put this panel back in there now, guys. This panel is right there. And this panel goes like this. Just like that, guys. Check it out. That's how you replace this cabinet air filter on this 2024 Nissan Kick, guys. Yep, take this out, and it's all the way from there. Alright guys, me again. We got another car here. We get this Nissan Kicks. We're getting ready to, we just finished the oil change. I'm gonna show you how to reset this oil change reminder. It's pretty quite easy. All you gotta do, this car right here, you don't have to, you could get the car running. All you gotta do is start the car. After you check the level, make sure everything's right, and you did your oil change. And then you just gotta, what you do, I'm gonna show you the way you do it. You go to the setting. See this right here? You go to the dashboard of your on the display right here. You just gotta go right there. and then keep going down. You gotta find this maintenance. You use this little analog right here to control it. Press that maintenance. You got oil filter, oil filter. You just reset it right there, and then confirm it. There it is. And then you go back. If you just did a tire rotation, and then you reset the tire. If you did a rotation of the tires, make sure you reset it too, so you know when the next time you're gonna do a tire rotation. Click on that one, reset it. Done deal, guys. That's it. 0, 0. And then what you gotta do now, you can turn the car off. There's a little button right there. And then wait again and start it. And see if the oil light reminder is off. There it is. You could go back. Tire pressure up here while driving. Alright. To go to the setting, all you gotta do is press the analog right here. You just gotta go left, press analog. So pretty much the regular one would be like this. And then you go press left. That's for the audio. And for the miles per hour, if you're saving gas. And then you go information. You get this information if you have anything like warning light, it will pop out there. And also same thing right here. And then now you go to a setting right here. That's where you reset it right there. The maintenance right there. And same thing on TPMS. You can reset it too when you do a tire pressure. See, when you set your tire pressure, you can reset it that way also. That's how you do it, guys. Hopefully you learned something on this video. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me more. And thank you for watching. Alright, bye-bye.